Arton and you're watching Art and Wheels. Today we're gonna try something different, and that will be unboxing. So it's an intercom from a brand called Fodsports. I have actually been using their GPS device. Now I'm gonna be trying their intercom device. Let me quickly show you why I wanted a new intercom for my helmet. This is my helmet. This is my intercom. And you see all these buttons? That's my issue. When I'm wearing my glove, I have no idea what I'm pressing on. This is just a 100% gamble for me. So that's why I wanted to try something different. And thankfully, Fodsports FX8 gives me that opportunity to feel those buttons while I'm riding. As soon as you unbox it, you're greeted with the intercom device itself. This is the main body of the device, and as you can see, it has the function button right in the middle of the turning wheel that you can use it to increase or decrease your volume. And here on the top you have two buttons which are separated so that you can have a guess of what you're actually pressing on. This is the previous song and the next song, and with the wheel you can hear that's your volume. So I'm gonna be like volume down or volume up, whatever. And the function key, if I'm receiving a call and I don't want to talk to that person, bye. So you have the main device and you have some instructions also in English and operation manual and everything. And what else? Let's see. Okay, this is a boom mic. If you have like an open face helmet, you can still have your microphone where it's supposed to be. We have the base plate and also the headphones. Now these headphones are said to be 40mm, and this is where the intercom actually sits. You just have to slide it and let it click. There you go, that's it. Alright, so in the base plate what you have is the microphone connector and also another 2.5mm jack and adapter. If you don't want to be using your Bluetooth for your music, then you can just connect this to your phone and still listen to your music and stay connected to your riding mates at the same time. And also your other microphone, which is a tiny microphone. You have a micro USB cable to charge your device. It doesn't come with an adapter, but hey, you probably have one extra on the side just laying around. If you want to fit your intercom to your helmet, you have a couple of options. You have the metal bracket, which I never used in my life. Maybe I can just give it a go. You have the plastic spacer. You have another plastic spacer, and you have the Velcro straps. Get these out of the way, maybe. Get the old helmet. We have it. First thing first, let's take this off. Looks a lot more fancy than the older one. I've been using this for maybe a couple of months. It was alright, but these buttons are the worst. A bad shape. So I just have to take this off. How the hell did I even... Oh, okay. Older microphone. The old ones. The new ones. I mean, and there's a difference with the cable material. This is just like plastic, but this one definitely seems a lot more sturdier. It has some kind of a metal surrounding around the cable, but I'm not sure. But it feels a lot more sturdy, I would say. So off you go, and you too. And to be able to charge it, I'm just gonna have to press this button on the side and it's gonna come off instantly. Easy peasy. There you go. And to put it back in, you just slide it in and make sure that it's pressed hard. And that's it. So you have two options with the cables. You want to keep the short one closest to the intercom, and the other one beneath the padding and all the way to the other side. literally impossible for me to show to you guys, but just hold on there. piece here, one here, the other one is right here, safety inside. What else? A microphone that should go right here. Fodsports FX8 with my wheel control, previous and next song switches, and also this functions as the radio control, so it changes in between the channels. And to turn it on, you just press the top button and the side button at the same time. Yep, that was for the radio. Next channel. Let's give it a go. Alright, that was me turning off the radio. I can see it on the Bluetooth. Just press on it and it should complete the pairing. I just heard the sound device connected. And what else? Right now I'm controlling from the device and it changes the volume. It's actually quite fast. It's supposed to be Bluetooth 5. Watch my hand. All good. And the best thing is I can do what I want to do. Pause the song, change the volume. What else? And this adapter, you can just use it to listen to music on your phone, as I just mentioned. If you're already connected to another intercom and you don't want to interrupt their music, you can just use it as a headphone. I'm right now not connected to the Bluetooth, so this is just the cable feeding through the headphones. Not bad. I mean, yeah, why not? It's useful. There you go.
Power on.
Alright, so this is the old intercom.
Pairing.
Okay, they're pairing now. As you can see, lights are turning on and off. The police lights. Let's see if they're gonna be paired or not. Alright, so officially tested. The intercom actually working. I'll just hold it to my microphone and you will see that even if I whisper just very slightly, you can hear it on the microphone. This is me speaking silently. And do you want to hear how it sounds like from within the helmet? I'm not sure if this is like a very professional demonstration, but it is the most I can do. I'm right now sticking my helmet over my microphone. If you can hear this whispering, then that means what you hear is from the intercom inside the helmet. And this is getting a little bit creepy. Alright. I will be using this intercom in the upcoming days. If you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments below. I will be passing you a link for you to buy with a discounted price. If you're considering to buy a budget or let's say semi-budget intercom which delivers quality, and just make sure to check out the link in the description below. Till the next one, ride safe.